My passion for aviation started back when I was 5 years old or so. The one thing I wanted for my 6th birthday was a ride in an airplane. I got my ride and I was hooked. It's really fun to take something like wind or the air and make the most of that medium, to capture that energy and to be able to use it for fun and to provide electricity. Turbine Test Services provides mechanical loads testing for utility scale wind turbines. That's our primary focus. We go in and we measure the blade bending, the turbine tower bending, and several other measurements. Record that data, process it, and deliver it back to our clients in the form of a test report. Currently, we have 4 people working at Turbine Test Services. I'm located here in Independence, Oregon. I have an office in Shoreline, Washington, and we have another person who works remotely from his house in Seattle, Washington. So we have essentially 4 locations that we work from. And for a small business, historically that would have been very challenging. But with Office 365, we're easily able to share documents. We can do a Skype for Business call. We can see each other. We can share the screen. It's almost as good as being right next to that person.
So I use Office 365 for the brain of our company. All of our files exist there, and it's super easy to share. We send communication seamlessly over Office 365 products.
We couldn't run our company without Office 365. Scott can prepare task lists for me. I can access those task lists, and then I can do whatever it is on that task list, and then I can communicate back to Scott what is being completed and not completed. The size of the client, I think, is irrelevant. I think we all kind of use the same technology to stay connected, whether you're a giant, massive company or you're a small company. Office 365 allows that flexibility.
In aviation, I need to track things. I keep a logbook of all my flights. I keep a logbook for my aircraft maintenance. It's easy for me to use Office 365, so I know that if something happens to my computer, that irreplaceable information in my pilot logbook is still protected. Using these products makes it a very easy transition between work and passion.